July 23rd, 2010, Vivian, South Dakota would record the world record hailstone seen here at 8 inches in diameter. I had no idea at the time, though I figured there were definitely some big stones in there. A bowling ball is 8.5 inches in diameter for probably a better reference. There was a small but potent for July shortwave moving east, spreading 40 to 50 knot westerly winds in the mid-levels at 500 millibar. Topped in the upper levels with southwest winds around 80 knots. The storm can be seen forming right here. Once it fully initiated, it rapidly became extremely intense. I was on it somewhere around Murdo, and it was already nasty looking. It formed in the classic dryline warm front intersection location here. With surface temperatures in the low 90s and dew points in the low to even mid 70s, and getting under that short wave and that far west and slightly higher elevation, well, you can assume it was extremely unstable. 6 p.m. here, likely producing that hail now. 500 millibar mid-level winds here, pushing it along right into that low-level fuel, pushing back west along the warm front. 850 millibar low-level jet added in here. Not overly strong, but that storm was moving right along quickly into it. The upper level winds, though, were stout for July and that kind of instability. 80 knots out of the southwest on this storm moving east-southeast. That's basically 90 miles an hour up there, venting strongly. The result being a world record hail-producing supercell. Here it is at that time from Aberdeen's radar, showing a strong bounded weak echo region on the left and an intense mesocyclone on the right in velocity. The National Weather Service page on this event noted an estimated vertical updraft speed of 160 to 180 miles an hour. My video will start off a little bit before it reaches Vivian. I'm at the Vivian exit at 6 o'clock. This thing's a beast. Moving quicker and it's turning right. It is hauling butt. I just pulled over here. Dirt. Look at this. It's like an east-west updraft over here now. Chris is on the interstate not far down there in softball hail, I guess. Yeah, try and take some stills. I'm getting hail clear out here. What a beast. Violent supercell producing monster hail and back in there more. Just about time to go. At least turn my car around. Oh, that's close.